Welcome to my channel about embedded systems and fischertechnik robotics. This is an after convention video, and the convention was in De Bilt, Netherlands in October. And the focus of this video is obviously the mobile robot discovery based on the TXT controller and facing some challenges. Not just in the software but also with hardware, and one of the things is connectivity. The other robot that I have with the TXT controller, I had to make adjustments to the connection also, and I had hoped that I could still use this wireless access point to gain control via Wi-Fi, whatever. And that gives a big challenge right now, so I have to try to use a different way with USB, with it giving some limitations. And in order to see if things work out, I have to turn to, after the introduction, well, what is in the name? Like I said, trying to reach this robot, this one, with this controller, which has the old-fashioned, well, old-fashioned, not really old-fashioned, but it has the IP address 10.0.0.133 based on the internal use network IP addresses that I used in the past, and I did not change it. Never had to, as long as I made sure that with the computer that I use for recording, etc., or controlling, for that matter, using an address in the same network section, which means 10.00, or more appropriate 10.0.0.x, where x is 133 or whatever number, as long as it's under 255, 254 actually. And this is a brand new laptop, which I'm using to record it. So I had to copy settings, and then it turns out I don't get any connection because it says network is unreachable. And what do I get on the old laptop, which is still there? Connection refused. And then I see why. Let's see. And then I see that using the correct one, once again on the old laptop, via this one, it works. I can get connection, but I want it on this one as well. Why is network unreachable? Let's figure this out. Well, it is connected, so that's good. Connection information. Well, this is the wired one, and see, this is why. Then I can do this. Put it there. Once again, it has it. But does it? I doubt it, because it doesn't do a thing. What I can do, of course, is making sure that the subnet mask is the same. So let's try that. Should do it. Right. And now it says IP address is that, and that is certainly not the intention. So, no, it should be this one. So, Okay, I should include netmask then. I'm not doing this every day. Then close window. Once again, connection information. Also not quite correct. But is it reachable? Because I am connected on the other computer, nevertheless, but it's SSH, so you can connect multiple instances to the same point. In this case, it won't work somehow, which is too bad. So I have to now rely on a different thing, which is this cable. And this cable is working for the walking robot. So I assume it will work for this robot. We'll see. Thank you for watching. If you want to see everything I did, you have to watch the full video, which you can see as a patron and as a member of Ko-fi, but you can also buy them at Patreon and at Ko-fi. No problem. If you don't, it's up to you. If you like this video so far, please give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notification, and leave a comment or suggestion. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. This is obviously going to be continued. So for now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.